Happy New Year, everyone. I hope that you must have had a great blast on the New Year Eve, or you can say the 1st January itself. And I believe that you must have taken a lot of resolutions. And along with those resolutions, as you are the subscriber of this YouTube channel, English Coach Dr. Shruti, who is me, right? It's me. But there might be a lot of new subscribers who is watching this video. So let me tell you that this video is going to work on your English fluency for this year with this 5-week challenge. Because what is my purpose? My purpose is to make you a confident. Yes, the first thing is confident, and then second thing is fluent. So this video is all about you, is all about the challenge that you need to take up to improve your English fluency. So now let's get exposed to this 5-week challenge of English fluency. First, you need to understand the bifurcation of this challenge. So this is the first challenge that I'm going to give you people. So this is how it will work. So there will be 5 weeks and there will be 5 tasks. So you need to do these 5 tasks in each week. For example, week 1 में हम task number 1 करेंगे, week 2 में task number 2, in week 3 task number 3, in week 4 task number 4, in week 5 task number 5. So this is how I have divided these 5 tasks. Now there is one more bifurcation that you can do. You can do all these tasks, the 5 tasks that I'm going to tell you, in each and every week. For example, in week 1st, when you will be doing all those 5 tasks, you need to spare at least 30 minutes to complete all of these tasks. Okay, one more thing. Whenever you will be watching this video, your time starts from there itself. Like, it is a timeless video. It just, you need 5 weeks of any month of any year. Okay, let me tell you one thing, that all of the tasks that today I'm going to tell you, these tasks are try and tested. Means I have tried all these tasks on my students and learners and they have worked fantastically. So if you are ready to take up this challenge, then say challenge accept in the comment section. So let's get started the first video of 2025. So let's get started with the task number 1, and that is, as I said it's my favorite. It's one word story. What does it mean? Like, you just need to narrate a story with one word. Now you must be thinking, what kind of word? The word is around you. I can still show you the word. The word could be this painting behind me, this handbag, this notebook, this I have home also. So you can use this as well. As you can see, pillow on my side. This can be the word. So here the word means the object. Object could be anything. You can take any of the objects around you and you could take any of the words that comes to your mind first. Like, for example, love, hate, jealousy, beauty. What you need to say on it. What do you think about them? You just need to narrate a story on that word or on that object. For example, if I go to this painting, so this painting, you have to take it as your story. Now talk about this painting. Now you might be thinking, is painting mein aisa kya hai? It's not about the painting. It's not about the leaves and the mountains that you can see. It's not about that. It's about how you see that picture and how you interpret it. So it's all about your thoughts, your emotions, because ultimately when it comes to English fluency, we are so restricted to express ourselves, and what we do generally, we just express our emotions in like few words or hardly in a sentence. So if you really want to improve your fluency, you need to take this task for the first week, one word story. Now how you will start it? You can put the timer of say 1 minute or 2 minutes as per your frequency, as per your comfort zone, that आप 1 मिनट तक बोल सकते हैं, 2 मिनट तक, and just talk about that random word. Like, talk about this notebook. What this notebook looks like? This notebook looks like a notebook of my life. It has a lot of pages, pages of happiness, pages of sadness, pages of struggle, pages of success, the pages of rewards, the pages of learnings, the pages of failures. See how I've described this book. जो भी दिमाग में आता है, whatever comes to your mind, just express this thing. And when you will express, you will see that on day 1 when you started this task and day 7th when you are going to end this task, you will see that day by day you have improved your fluency, you have improved your way of expression, because that is the extremely important part. Now moving to week number 2 and task number 2. And what it is when camera is your audience. Yes, trust me. ये जो task है, many people are failed to attempt this task. Now, what does this task looks like? When you just need to take your camera, turn it on, and speak for 2 minutes. Record yourself. I know many of you cannot do this task. The reason being that you don't want to face yourself, because you know when you're going to record yourself, you will face yourself. And in case if you are going to make mistakes, you do not want to see yourself making any mistakes. But trust me, this is what you need to do, because your camera is your audience. Whenever we talk about public speaking, we do not want to face the audience, still we want to speak. So if you really want to diffuse that fear and hesitation, camera is your friend. Take the camera and just speak on anything. Speak about your day. So when you will do it, you can do it in the night once the whole day is over, and when you want to express yourself that how your day has been, you can record yourself, you can talk to yourself, and because it will be very easy for you and it will not feel dull, because you're going to express your emotions there. So just speak it up. When you're going to record yourself in English, trust me, you are going to fumble a little bit, but that's absolutely fine. Please do not stop recording if you feel like that you are fumbling. Take a pause and speak up. The task is you need to record yourself for at least 2 minutes, minimum 2 minutes, and maximum is your choice. When you will do it in week number 2, this task, you will see that the day you started and the day you ended this task, you will see, yes, I can face anyone, I can talk to anyone. Again, the challenge is you need to complete this task. So do it in the night when you are done with your day and you just want to express that how your day has been to yourself with the help of your camera. Moving to week number 3 and the task number 3. And again, it is my favorite task. Vocabulary quiz. It just requires you 3 minutes. Trust me. What you need to do, you need to set a timer and you need to give a letter to yourself. Letter, like as you know that we have 26 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, right? So you can take any letter, say letter S. Now put the timer and see that with letter S, how many words you can write. Yes. And trust me, since letter S is one of the most common letters and ज़्यादातर words ऐसे होते हैं, you might feel a sort of struggle that, oh my goodness, the words are not coming to my mind. And there you get to know that how your vocabulary looks like. If on the first day you will not be able to write more than 20 or 25 words, but fret not. When you will be attempting this vocabulary quiz, you will be able to see that how you have grown your mind in terms of the vocabulary. Because again, the day you are going to start this task and the day you are going to end it, you will see that maybe on the first day you have written only 20, 25 words, but on day 2, day 3, day 4, you are going to increase the frequency of your words because your mind has been trained that way. आपने अपने दिमाग को train कर दिया है. ऐसा नहीं that you have to limit yourself to only one letter. For each day, you can take multiple letters. Like for example, you give yourself 10 minutes for this task, 3 minutes for each letter. For example, first 3 minutes is for letter S, next 3 minutes is for letter P, next 3 minutes is for letter T. Something like that. So you will see that day by day you have improved your vocabulary. Now, week number 4 and task number 4. It is जो हम सब करते हैं, watching English movies or web series. This is extremely important. Whenever you watch any web series or movies, please keep the subtitle turned on if you're in the learning process, because this will help you out that how a native speaker use a particular sentence for a particular situation. And when you will observe that, make sure that you are writing down. Now, how this will work. For example, when you are going to take, say, one movie for each day, at least you have to jot down 15 to 20 sentences or the words from that movie. That has to be your task. It's not like you are watching the movie, you are reading the subtitles. Oh, ये अच्छा इसने इसको ऐसे बोला, इसने इसको बोला. ऐसे काम नहीं चलता. You have to jot it down. क्योंकि जब तक आप लिखेंगे नहीं, आपको याद नहीं होगा. Because you are learning, right? So please jot the sentences, at least 15 to 20 sentences from each movies. There are multiple English movies that are available on lot of platforms. Like there are few recommendations of mine. There are few Indian movies as well. As you can see on the top, A Suitable Boy. It is an Indian movie. It is a movie of Tabu and Ishan, and it is like very good movie because it is based on novel. So yes, you can like take these references for the 7 days and make sure that you will be learning something from all of these movies, jotting down the sentences and using them in your daily life communication. And with that note, moving to the last week and last task. And what it is reading. Yes, जो हमें बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, but reading is extremely important. Reading skills always works on your articulation, on your tone and pitch, and on your pronunciation, and on your fluency as well. When you are taking any book, reading that book, you are training your vocals. You are making sure that your articulation is great. You will get to know whether your tone is flat or it is fluctuating, because this is what means a lot. Your articulation, आपकी आवाज में कितनी warmth है, that decides your articulation. So what reading skills does? It does the muscle exercise. Yes, when you are going to read any sentence or any paragraph or a page aloud, your muscle are going to get moved and they help you to make the correct pronunciation, because ये आपकी muscle को खोल रही है, and when the muscle will be opened up, it will be very easy for you to pronounce the words correctly, to make the sounds correctly. So reading is extremely important, and this is your task number 5th. And yes, this is how you will be able to do this 5-week challenge of English fluency. This is not that tough. 45 days or like 40 days, they will go like a snap, but your growth will also go like a snap. If you will do it, then your growth will be moving up, and if you will not do it, your growth will be stagnant. So it's up to you, it's up to your mindset that what you need to do. So if you're starting this challenge today itself and till 5th week, if you will be doing so, do share your experience in the comment section below. And if you have already accepted this challenge, then write challenge accepted in the comment section, and I'll see you after 5 weeks. Not 5 weeks here means in terms of your experiences. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.